3D printing creates an object by reading a digital blueprint and reproducing it layer by layer with the help of printing filament and UV light. Advancements in this field are now driving crucial changes in the healthcare industry. 3D printing devices, prostheses, and surgical models are becoming popular among healthcare providers. Personalization, increased accuracy and replication, and quick turnaround time can dramatically improve treatment outcomes and quality of patients' life. According to global data, 3D printing in healthcare is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of more than 21% during 2022 to 2027. The sector is expected to reach a value of $7.5 billion by 2027. The disruptive technology offered by 3D printing can revolutionize the healthcare industry in multiple ways in the future.